So guys, where is it we're heading today?
Look, ginger factory.
Spot on, mate.
The ginger factory started its humble beginnings in Buderim on the Sunshine Coast in 1870. Now, the ginger factory resides in Yandina, where it set its roots in 1978. There are cafes, boutique shops, bee tours with honey tasting, and you can even take a ride on Morton, the 116-year-old retired ginger train. The Ginger Factory is one of the Sunshine Coast's most popular attractions and has had its doors open for the public for more than 40 years.
And I always wanna feel like this. I close my eyes and all my troubles fade away. Your words once got so deep into me, but tonight I won't let that.
Home of Buderim ginger and known as the world's finest ginger, if you've had anything ginger in the past, it's probably grown here.
I close my eyes and all my troubles fade away. There he is. So deep into me, but tonight I won't let that. Gonna make myself forget about you, baby. Gonna make my head forget your name. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna dance.
Cheers for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.